thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to turn a strawberry into a dancing strawberry. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. We're going to start by drawing a heart shape, but it's more rounded and not so pointy. Then draw a few pointy leaves up on top. Nice big round eyes. Then we're going to add 2 circles in each eye. The one on top is a little bit bigger than the one on the bottom. And a nice big happy mouth with a line across and a curved line down, and then a hump in the middle so that it looks like it has a tongue. And now your strawberry needs some arms. So one goes up, one goes down to give the illusion that he's moving. And then we'll put little feet on that look like he's dancing with a line down and then a line across, like a backwards letter L. Now we're going to outline everything with black permanent marker. Fill in the eyeballs. And then your strawberry needs seeds. We're going to take the black permanent marker and make seeds all over the strawberry. I'm going to color our strawberry red. A little pink for the tongue, a dark pink, and then a lighter pink for the inside of the mouth, and green for the leaf on top. And your dancing strawberry is done. Remember, if you liked today's video, to subscribe to my channel. We're going to be transforming a whole lot of fruits and a bunch of other things.